So here I'm in my offset screen. I just got done doing my offsets, touching my tools on the tool eye. So my next step is I'm going to want to set my work offset for my tool length. To do that, you want to take your tool eye out. And if he's around, you ain't getting none work done.
Follow my channel.
Alright, you're going to want to turn PSM off because you don't have the tool eye in there anymore. And your next step is you're going to want to put your cover back on. Because if your cover's not on, nothing's going to work. Alright. Now you're going to want to be in MDI mode. In your program screen, you're going to want to type in G-O-T and then your tool number, which mine's going to be T1, tool 1, offset 1, T101. So T1 for tool 1 and O1 for offset 1. You're going to want to insert that up here. Then you want to press cycle start, which is going to put it down in right here. Make sure it's in there before you switch to your offset screen. Then you're going to want to press the work soft key, switch to your work offsets. You're going to want to make sure Z is highlighted. Alright, so it's zeroed out. My next step is I'm going to want to be in hand wheel mode. And I'm going to want to hand wheel over to the face of the part. Want to grab a piece of paper. Touch it off on the paper. What I like to do is get it as close as I can see it, then switch to the lowest you can possibly go and just turn it and move the paper at the same time. Alright, back it off. My next step is I'm going to want to type in, make sure Z is highlighted, then you're going to type in Z0 measure. Bam. I got -6 inches, 907 thousandths and 7/10. Now we're going to check that number and make sure it's correct. And to do that, you're going to want to go to your offset screen. Take your Z length that you have, and you're going to want to type it in, 9.7292. Adding your the number you got in your work, which is plus, so I'm going to add 6.9077 equals 16 inches, 636 thousandths and 9/10. So we go to that, you go to your position screen, and bam, 16,636.9, right on the money.